Hey guys, welcome back to Guns and Bikinis. As you know, I built this flamethrower and today I'm going to test it. You let me know what you want to see me test it on and I'm going to do that today. But before I do, like and subscribe guys, tell your friends, hit that bell button and we'll let you know when the next video comes up. Let's get into it. Okay. Oh, I need a marshmallow. So I'm not going to test it on my back. It's just for the simple fact that I don't want to set on fire. With that out of the way, this one's for you, James. You asked me to roast some marshmallows. They're not going to be very tasty, but I'll do it. So I'm definitely not going to eat these, but I know who will, and they're just a little not crispy enough, so I'm going to help him out with that. This is Timmy, Tiny Tim for those who like nickname bases, and he absolutely fucking loves marshmallows. Taser's not working. This is Timmy. Timmy's a dick and he's made of straw. And he's about to combust. Die, Timmy, die! Sad Timmy. He was a good friend. Hey Timmy, are you okay? I'm sorry, Tim. My very disappointing flamethrower, and I have to say I now smell like a disappointed bride as well. So I'm going to try and redo this eventually, and I'm going to set a challenge for you guys. If this video gets 10,000 views, I will make part 3 with a flamethrower that could break records. So give me those views, like and subscribe guys, share with your friends and family, tell them all about it, and we'll make some more flamethrowers and cool things like this.